Welcome back to the Data Guy Show. I'm Naz, your resident skeptic, and I'm still recovering from last week's revelation that context engineering is now a real job title. Mo, you promised we'd get even more practical today. What's on the menu?
Hey Naz, if last episode was about setting the stage for AI with context engineering, today we are talking about how to get the show running fast. We're diving into Zero-Shot RAG, how to build AI systems that work out of the box. No endless tweaking required.
Wait, so you're telling me I can skip the weeks of prompt engineering and just deploy? That sounds like the kind of shortcut I get yelled at for taking.
It's not a shortcut, it's smart design. Zero-Shot RAG is all about using the latest models and clever architecture so your AI system performs well from day one. No need to babysit every parameter.
I'm listening, but I'm also skeptical. Last time you said context was king. Now you're saying I don't need to fine-tune anything?
Not quite. Zero-Shot RAG doesn't replace tuning, but it lets you launch quickly and iterate later. Think of it as building a car that runs reliably off the lot, then customizing it as you go.
All right, break it down for me. What's the magic behind Zero-Shot RAG? Why does it work?
The secret is in the foundation. Modern LLMs and embedding models are so good at understanding context and relationships that with the right setup, you can get solid results without custom tweaks. It's like buying a smartphone that's already loaded with the essentials.
So, step one is picking the right models?
Exactly. For embeddings, you want models like OpenAI's Text Embedding 3 Large or Cohere's Embed English-V3. They are trained to get meaning across domains. For the LLM, go with something that follows instructions well. GPT-4o, Claude Sonnet, those kinds.
And then what? Just throw all my documents at it and hope for the best?
Not quite. You need smart document processing. Instead of chopping text into random chunks, use semantic chunking, split by paragraphs, sections, or natural breaks. That way, the AI gets meaningful context, not a jumble of words.
So, it's like prepping ingredients for a recipe. If you just toss everything in, you get a mess. But if you slice and dice with care, you get a great meal.
Perfect analogy. And don't forget metadata. Automatically tagging chunks with things like content type, key entities, and summaries helps the system retrieve the right info, even without custom indices.
Okay, but how does the system actually find what it needs? Isn't retrieval the hard part?
That's where hybrid search comes in. You combine semantic search, finding meaning, with keyword search, matching terms. It's like using both a map and a compass. And if you want to get fancy, you can expand queries automatically. So the system tries different phrasings to cover all angles.
So, instead of me spending hours tweaking search settings, the system does the heavy lifting?
Exactly. The architecture ties it all together. You process documents, enrich them, create embeddings, and set up hybrid retrieval. When a user asks a question, the system transforms the query, finds the best chunks, and generates an answer using the LLM.
Sounds slick. But does it actually work in the wild, or is this just theory?
Real-world example. The Let's Talk chat widget. It's open source, plug and play, and brings Zero-Shot RAG to any website. You can try it live at thedataguy.pro. No prompt engineering, no custom retrievers, just smart defaults.
I've seen it. It's like magic. But what's happening under the hood?
It ingests content, extracts metadata, chunks semantically, and stores embeddings in a vector database. When you ask a question, it uses a React agent with hybrid retrieval, BM25, multi-query, vector search, all weighted together. The backend's Python, the frontend's Svelte, and it's Dockerized for easy deployment.
So it's modular, flexible, and works out of the box. But when should I use Zero-Shot RAG versus fine-tuning?
Great question. Zero-Shot RAG is perfect for fast deployment, low maintenance, and broad domains. Fine-tuning shines when you need peak performance in specialized areas. Start with Zero-Shot, then tune where it matters.
And how do I know if my system's any good?
Use the RAGAS framework. Check retrieval quality, answer relevance, groundedness, and contextual precision. It's all about making sure the system finds the right info and uses it well.
So, the takeaway is build smart, launch fast, and optimize as you go.
You got it. Zero Shot RAG lets you focus on what matters, delivering value, not wrangling endless configs.
All right, let's wrap this up. If you remember nothing else, remember this. Zero-Shot RAG is your ticket to fast, reliable AI deployments. Pick strong models, process documents smartly, and let hybrid retrieval do the work.
And for anyone who wants to see these principles in action, check out the full blog post and the Let's Talk app code at github.com. There's a full breakdown of the architecture plus tips for evaluating your own system.
Don't miss it. Head to theDataGuide.pro for the full story, examples, and all the technical details. And if you like this episode, subscribe, leave us a review, and let us know what AI puzzle you want us to tackle next.
Thanks for joining us on the Data Guy Show. Remember, in AI, smart architecture beats endless tweaking every time.
Couldn't have said it better. See you next time.